Hello guys, welcome to Foodie Hangout. Craving something crispy, spicy and absolutely delicious for tea time? Then you are going to enjoy today's recipe. Today we are making crispy bread pakoras with the delicious spicy potato filling that's simple, tasty and super satisfying. I can't wait to share it with you guys, so let's get started. So first we are going to make the potato masala. To a nice white pan, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil. First I am adding half a teaspoon of freshly crushed coriander seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Mix it lightly. These will add a lovely aroma and flavor. Now add a piece of ginger, finely chopped, and give it a quick mix. Next add finely chopped 2 green chilies and finely chopped 1 medium sized onion. Saute these ingredients. Once the onions have become translucent, next I am going to add all the spice powders, keeping the flame on low. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. Just mix everything well. At this point, add a little water so the raw smell of the spices goes away. Next, I am adding 3 large boiled potatoes. I have peeled off the skin and mashed them. And now I am adding them to the pan along with the onion masala. Mix well on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes so the extra moisture dries up. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt or adjust it according to your taste. So for extra flavor, I am adding 1 teaspoon of Chaat Masala. This is optional. So finally add a nice handful of chopped coriander leaves. Mix all together. Once done, turn off the stove and let the mixture cool completely. I am spreading it on a plate so it cools faster. So the next step is to make the sandwiches for the pakora. So I am taking 2 large bread slices with the edges. Just take a generous amount of the filling. Place it on the bread. So gently spread out the filling on the bread. Make sure it's nice and even on all sides. So once you spread the filling nicely like this, just close it and gently press it. Cut the sandwich diagonally. Make all the sandwiches in this manner and keep them aside. To a large bowl, I am adding 1 cup of besan. It's a gram flour. So 250 ml cup measurement. And add 2 tablespoons of rice flour for extra crispiness. Half a teaspoon of salt. Add a pinch of sugar for a nice golden color. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Half teaspoon of chilli powder. Add about 1 teaspoon of carom seeds or ajwain. Before adding water, mix all dry ingredients well. If the gram flour is old, shift it first to remove lumps. Now gradually pour water little at a time to make the batter. Using a whisk could be much easier for you to mix the batter so you won't have any lumps. Don't pour too much water at a time, that will become very diluted. So you can see it's a nice smooth consistency. So this is how we want the batter to be. Now add a pinch of baking soda or cooking soda. You can also add baking powder if you have that. Mix it well. Now that the batter is ready. Now take a wide kadai. Pour enough oil for deep frying. Meanwhile, we can start coating the sandwiches. Gently drop in the sandwiches into the batter. Make sure it's coated on all sides. Gently remove it and let the excess batter drip off. Once the oil is hot, gently drop in the coated sandwiches into the hot oil. So you can see they instantly float. Once it's cooked on one side, gently flip it to the other side. Just pour a little oil over the sandwich. Once it's cooked on both sides, then we can remove from the oil. The sandwiches have turned a beautiful golden color and look perfectly crispy. Now we can remove from the oil. Our delicious bread pakoras are ready. These bread pakoras look amazing. You can enjoy them as a perfect evening tea time snack or serve them at parties and small get-togethers. They are sure to be a crowd favorite that everyone will love. Make sure you serve it nice and hot as soon as you make them and follow all the steps to get perfectly. Just look at that potato filling in the center. It's a perfect snack. I have just served it with some ketchup by the side. You can enjoy it as is or with any dip of your choice. And I will give you a couple of links to the other bread recipes I have made earlier. Do check them out. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications.